trouble sleeping. You're jumping in my bed, twisting in my head. Leave me. I'm having trouble breathing. You're sitting on my chest. I sure could use the rest. Leave me. It's you. Why is it always you and never me? Never dared to let my feelings free. Why is it always you and never me? Never cared too much but honesty. I'm having trouble sleeping. I'm thinking of what you said about the tears been shed. Leave me. It's you. Why is it always you and never me? I've never dared to let my feelings free. Why is it always you and never me? Never cared too much but honesty. It's you, now and always you, but never me. Never dared to let my feelings free. Why is it always you and never me? Never cared too much but honesty.
A little glass of water, please. A fresh pressed pancake if I sneeze. Some tea with honey from the bees. Whenever you can brew it. And while I get a little rest, a teeny tiny small request. Some codfish oil for my chest, poured from a crystal cruet. Goodness, I'm a nincompoop because I fear I got the croup. I need a bag of pumpkin soup and skulls made out of zinnias. Then I say zinnias, I meant silk or something shiny up that ilk. And then I'll need some nice warm milk and pastry from that zinnia. And since my stomach's feeling crummy, why not give my aching tummy something soothing, something yummy piled up with noodles? And a slice of homemade rye with stacks of Swiss brie pie. Served with slices of sweetness, my more baseline noodles. I'll be grateful for your charity until the bitter end, because I've heard that tenderness is what you lend an ailing I'll friend. Be grateful for your charity until the bitter end, because I've heard that tenderness is what you lend an ailing friend. I'd like that glass of water, please. Some magic spell to cure disease. A firm gusset when I sneeze. A fresh bouquet of roses. Some lozenges will soon appease my wheezing when I start to sneeze. A wig to keep me from the breeze. And blankets for my toes. To tweezer out of my valise. And then massage my knobby knees. A fold of piece, some extra cheese. A couple of Pekingese. A singing harp with Dame Louise. A good one skis. A new trapeze. And more and more and more and more of you.
Bugs bite when the devil tucks you in at night. I know the monster that you are can't hide from me, you can't run far. I've got my eye on you, your vicious fangs can't hide the truth. You'd better hope, you'd better pray that you aren't going to stay this way. Now where has your light gone? Has everything changed? Looks like you turned to a darker page. Scared everyone away, you're starting to worry. This hell hath no fury like your appetite. I've seen you wandering, I've seen you haunting. I see you in the shadows there, the way you fight, it isn't fair. I'm not your victim, I know where you came from, wearing that malicious frown. I guess that's life when you're upside down. I knew you before you turned to the monster that I'm hunting now. A killer I can't figure out. No, you're not in the clear unless I have you safely here and forced to look at who you are. An animal who's gone too far. Now where has your light gone? Has everything changed? Looks like you turned to a darker page. Scared everyone away, you're starting to worry. This hell hath no fury like your appetite. I've seen you wandering, I've seen you haunting. I see you in the shadows there, the way you fight, it isn't fair. I'm not your victim, I know where you came from, wearing that malicious frown. I guess that's life when you're upside down.